have a lot to pack. I just put more things in the washer and dryer. Wow, it's really time. I cannot believe it's really time to start packing for college. Almost feel like we've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I'm about to actually go off to college. For me, go off to college like thousands of miles away from home in a dream city. I've always wanted to go to California, and the fact that I have the opportunity and the blessings to go to California, I'm just so grateful to God because he's the only one that's making this move. But aside from all of that, we do have to start packing for college, and I need to go get a couple things to help me pack for college. Today, which is day one of packing, we're only going to be packing things that I want to like add to like decor that's in my room. I have a couple of books I want to take down there, and it's just a lot of stuff that's not going to fit in my suitcase. I'm going to send my boxes that I packaged today to my cousin, and then once we get down there next week, we will be taking it from her house and putting it into my dorm. But yeah, the first thing we need to do is go get some boxes. I'm about to head out to Walmart. I made it to Walmart, guys, and we're about to go look for boxes. I'm in the school section. I'm already trying to find school supplies, but I can't even buy them down here because I'm buying them down there. They're a little better. So we made it over here by the boxes. I feel like I want something. Like, is this too small? I think I'm gonna get a medium one and a small box for just in case. I'm gonna get these. Alright, so I just got the stuff. I'm gonna check out with this. I think this is all I'm gonna get because why not? I'm gonna start setting the boxes up so I can start putting things in there, and then I'm actually gonna go get my MacBook because I kind of made a list of things I'm gonna pack and things I'm gonna get when I get to Los Angeles, but we'll just see. Some of these if you want to eat something wild. Now it's all about just seeing which things am I gonna put in each separate like box. Okay, so if you guys already know, I'm going to Loyola Marymount University for screenwriting, and I live in Alabama and Loyola Marymount University is in California. If we drove, it would be 30 hours, and that's just something we're not gonna do. For my first year, I will be leaving my car at home just to get adapted and learning more about LA. Without a car, I'm just gonna kind of like think really quickly, and then I'll come back with a decision on what I want to pack in each box. Alright guys, we haven't gotten that far, but I started organizing a couple things and I'll just update as we go. But I have my posters that I made. I got this bubble cushioning to go around like the stuff in between the posters. I have some devotion books and Bibles that I'm gonna take. Some more books like Atomic Habits, Ugly Love, Directing for Actors, my Bible, my microphone and headphones. I have this like portable charger, but it also can jumpstart a car. And then there is some more decor stuff that I had on my desk. So I'm also taking a couple of shoes with me. I think I'm about done with like the decor and stuff. I still feel like I'm missing something. Where's sound? first box is packed up. This is what the box is looking like right now. The box over here with my shoes in it, and I think that's all the shoes I'm gonna pack. Hey guys, so I just dropped the boxes off at UPS. I kind of spent a pretty penny. My total was over $100 to ship 2 boxes. It is currently 3:46 right now. I actually have to start packing more in my suitcase. This is where all my clothes and things are gonna be. I'm in the laundry room because I have to wash some stuff that will be going with me also. Hey guys, so this is the suitcase that I will be using to go to LA with. I have a lot to pack. I just put more things in the washer and dryer. I can go ahead and start packing, get some of the things on my closet already out the way so that I won't be waiting till the end of the week and trying to rush. Of course, we have to bring the LMU jacket because I'm a student at LMU. Okay, so this is all of the things that I supposedly got out of my closet and I'm supposed to fit in here. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys while I was getting my clothes like together and everything, just like how I've been feeling about college. I think we all have been feeling like a bit nervous. You saw the clip of me reading my Bible. Like, just reading the Bible makes life better. It just lets you know that God is with you throughout the whole process. And one thing that has helped me get like excited is knowing that God has a plan for me. Like, I'm just already thinking about some of the projects I want to write. When you know that God is showing you things or give you things to play off of that helps your future, you know that you're gonna be taken care of and that you don't have to worry about anything. Coming back with an update. So I currently have it practically almost filled to the point where I have to start zipping it. The rest of the stuff I am buying out when I get out there. So like all the underclothes and like tank tops and stuff I'll buy when I get out there. So we're making progress. It's still looking like this. I'm finally done packing my suitcase with all my clothes in it and everything that I need. And then I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of what I'm gonna put into the carry-on bag that I will carry onto the airplane with me. Just because it's a lot of valuable stuff that I don't wanna risk getting like stolen or like, I don't know, lost in my luggage. The like carry-on tote bag that I'm bringing. As you guys know, I love, I take this everywhere. So I'm gonna keep my MacBook in here while I travel on the plane. Plus I like working while I'm on, you know, doing stuff, so I'll take that. And then I'm gonna keep my Bible. I sent my other Bible, the King James Version, in the boxes that I sent, and this is another Bible, but it's a study Bible. I will be going to church this week, so that's why I kept it here, but I'm gonna be taking this to LA with me also. I'm gonna also take my iPad with me down there. It's also, I have my Apple Pencil in here, and I also have my AirPods and like chargers. All of that stuff is going with me in this bag too. And then, you know, I also have my camera bag that is going with me also. So this is it for this video. I'm so excited to be moving to LA for college. It's such a blessing and it's a great opportunity for me to flourish in the entertainment industry. I just can't wait to get down there and start connecting and doing all that stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys when I move to LA. See you later. I have a lot